This is JAYDIP sir. Good morning, students. I hope that all are staying in home, not coming out of the home also. The last instruction was given that you have to be stay in home, as because we know that it is completely locked down in our country and in locality also. So keep in one thing mind that don't create any distance, means social distance or social gathering also. Not the social distance I'm telling about, don't make any social gathering or any other gathering. Okay, and today we will start with module 2. Module 1 we have done. I've given you the snapshot also. I think you have got in the WhatsApp also. Now we will go for the module 2. Module 2, what I've written over here: compounded half yearly sums without using formula. Compounded half yearly, and make it in the bracket, that is the half yearly, that is sums without using formula. Now one example what I've given, see, find the amount and the compound interest on rupees 16,000 for 1.5 years at 10% per annum, the interest being compounded half yearly. Now first solution we'll do. So from here what we get, first here it is given, see, last time what you have done, the year is coming in the whole number like 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, but here it is given, see, in the mixed fraction. So for this mixed fraction and it is given in half yearly, there will be problematic for you to solve. Then from here what we will do, see what I've written: since the rate of interest is 10% per annum, therefore the rate of interest half yearly equals to what I've written, half of 10%, that is 5%. Half of 10% is 5%. For first half year means, see, 1.5 year means what? Half and half. That means what is coming, half plus half is 1 year, and again half year is the 1.5 year. So what I have written for a first half year, principal will be 16,000. What I have written, 16,000. Rate will be 5%. Why? As because we have not we know that here we will be having 5%, and interest, no, we know the formula P into R into T by 100. Then from here I put the value of P into R into T. T will be 1 year. 1, that means what, 0 and 0 is cancelling out, and what is it in 160 into 5? 160 into 5 is coming 800. Now amount for first half year, same thing we have done in the last sums also, that every after finding out the interest we find out the amount. Then amount, what is written here, see, for the first half year 16,000 plus 800, that is 16,800. 16,800. Next, for second half year, one half year means half year the went. Now next half year we will be doing. For second half year, what is it in principal will be what? Last year amount will be the current year principal. Then rate will be 5%. T equals to 1 year. Then interest equals to P into R into T by 100. Same formula, only that interest formula. I put the value of P into R. R is 5, and in 1 in by divided by 100. After cancelling out, what do you see, that 168 and 5 is remaining. The 168 into 5 will be what? 840 rupees. 840. Now the amount for second half year is written what? 16,800, that we have got the principal, and the interest of the second half year, that is 840. After adding up this one, what we got? 17640 rupees. 17640. Now instead of holding for few seconds or few minutes also, just see once. After this class, I'll share the link of the YouTube. From there you can see the videos. I'll be sharing the YouTube link in the WhatsApp group. Next, what you have done, first half year, second half year, first half year, second half year, and one is the remaining, one more last third half year is left. Now we are starting from here. For third half year, the principal will be what? Last year's amount will be the principal for the current year. Here see, interest, what is written, P into R into E by 100, say the same formula. What is the value? After cutting down, what you have got? 882. Now from here, amount for third half year. Amount for third half year, what I have written, see, principal plus interest. Principal is what? 17640 plus 882. Then 18522. Then we have to find out what? Compound interest. Then compound interest, what will be? We have how many times we have done? Half, half, and half. 3 times half. 3 times half means what? 1.5 year. That what is the total? Now what is the amount we have got for the last half year? That is 18522. And what is the original principal that is given in the question? See, 16,000 is given in the question. Then this is the original principal. The original principal will be what? See, 16,000, then 18522 minus 16,000. Then we have got over here what? 2522. That is rupees 2522. Next, very important thing, we'll learn the formula today. What have we done? See, compounded half yearly sums using formula. Here we have got, we know that formula last day in the module 1. In the module 1, I have shown you one formula also. The formula using over here, see, P equals to A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R by 200 to the power 2n. Whenever you have half yearly, see, I have written over here half yearly formula. That time the denominator write down 200 and the power will be 2n. Normally we have the formula, see, normally we have the formula what? A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. But for in case of only half yearly, what will do? It will write down only 200 in the denominator and the power will be 2n. To find out CI, use direct formula. I have written over here A equals to P in bracket 1 plus R by 200 to the power n. Now that in the first module we have done this formula. See, this formula I have done. Now I have shown you one formula also. I have told that one formula is there that you can find out the CI directly. Now we have to find out, see, how the directly formula came. See, I have written over here. You can understand, all of you. See, I'm just repeating one more time that last module 1, we have done this formula and CI is given what? A minus P. Now that time I have told you that one more formula is there to find out CI, that is the direct formula. How the direct formula came? See, the direct formula came how? See, that CI equals to A minus P. A minus P, that is the formula written. Now see, amount formula, we know what is the amount formula? P in bracket 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Now how this can, see, this is the formula of A only. I put the value and minus P. Now from here I have taken P common. After taking P common, then what is the remaining? 1 plus R by 200 to the power n minus 1. This is the direct formula we will be using in the next exercises. Don't worry about this part also. Next time when you do the second exercises, I'll tell you where to apply this formula. Now it is your duty to learn the formula properly. Understood? Just holding for a second. See, properly? Any doubt, any see anything? Don't worry, I'll be sending this again in the WhatsApp also. I'll take the snap, I make it in the PDF file, I'll send you in the WhatsApp group. Any query you can ask in the WhatsApp group, I'll be discussing. Again, I am telling students that I will be sharing the YouTube link in the WhatsApp group. Again, telling YouTube link in the WhatsApp group so that you can see the videos as many times as you want, and any problem you can see the video, any query also you can do in the WhatsApp group. You see the WhatsApp group properly. Now see, we'll be using the formula now with the same example. Find the amount and CI on rupees 16,000 1.5 year. See, the year is coming 1.5 year, that is mixed fraction, at 10% per annum, the interest being compounded half yearly. Okay, now what I have told, same thing I am repeating one more time. Solution, after solution or before the we have to think of that, we have to write down the data first. What I've written, P equals to 16,000. What is written? Rate equals to 10%, and N is given about 1.5 year, means what? 3/2 years. Okay, I make it in the mixed fraction to fraction. Why I have done, you will see afterwards. See now, A equals to P in bracket what plus R by 200 to the power n. The same formula last time I've in the previous page I've shown you the formula, how the formula came. Now see, you have to, when you are putting the value, you have to be very cautious of putting the value. See, P equals to what? 16,000 written in bracket 1 plus R is given what? 10%, 10 and by 200, and to the power 2 into 3/2. Understood now why I made the mixed fraction into fraction, so that we can easily cut down. In every half yearly sum, you will see that when the fraction will be coming, you will see the denominator and this part will be cutting down. Always it will be cancelling out. Now after cancelling out, see what you have got, that what is the remaining? 3 only remaining. Now see, 16 in bracket 1 plus R by 20 to the power 3. Now from here 1 and 20 LCM will be 20. Now 1 into 20 is 20 plus 1 to the power 3. Then 20 plus 1 will be 21 by 20. Now 16 into 20 plus 1, that is coming 21 by 20 to the power 3. Next steps, very important. I have told that don't cube, don't square this one. How many times are written? Write down the same times. It is written 3, written down 3 times. Okay, why? Because I have told you, and these are small tricks that always you write in the times, how many times are there, as because it is easy to cancel out the value. See, 16,000, 0 0 0 0 0 cancel out. 2 4s are 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, and what is the remaining? 2 2s are 4. Now what is the remaining? 2 into 21 into 21 21, that is coming what? 18522. 2 into 21 into 21 into 21, that is 18522. Now see CI. What is the CI formula? Amount minus principal. Amount is where what you have given, 18522 minus 16,000, that is 2522. That is 2522. See, thus this value and the previous sum value also, see, previous sum value is also coming same, 2522. and here also coming 2522. Just holding for few seconds. See, understood? Hope you have understood. You will be understanding also. If you're not able to understand also, means make sure that you repeat or see the videos 2-3 times. Any problem again you can query, any you can also ask in the WhatsApp group also. I think last day I've given some sum also, and today I'll be giving you the solution of the last day's sums. Okay, that I have given, I think 4 sum I have given with the answer. Today I have solved also, and I will forwarding in the WhatsApp group in a PDF file. Today also I'll give some 4 sum only, 1 2 3 4, that is 2.1. Okay, and that questions are already given in the last PDF only. From there you try to solve these 4 sums, and the answers keys also I've given from here. So next day when I'll start the class, I'll solve the this question also, and forward in the WhatsApp group. But make sure you have to copy down. You have to copy down repeatedly. I'm telling you have to copy down, as because you know that we are continuing with the syllabus. You should not be hampered in your studies also. You have lot of time. You have to now. It is your duty to utilize the time properly. Any more query you can ask. Last but not the least, what I am telling, follow all the instruction given by the teachers, and be very attentive, very attentive in the online classes when you seeing the videos. Okay, and next day we'll start with the next exercises with the formula. Okay, have a nice day, stay home, stay safe, goodbye.